They tried to put me on the cover of Vogue, but my legs were too long.
Hey. Oh, I was just thinking I should come on here and give you guys a proper introduction of what my channel is actually about. So my name is Fayekemi Osamuel and I am a Nigerian and a Christian. I currently live in England, the UK. So I created this channel to document my journey as I become a model. I mostly upload catwalk tutorials and model vlogs and model tips sometimes. I feel like there are lots of people who have potential to become a model, but they just feel like they are not confident enough. You know what I mean? And I feel like if you actually take the first step and showcase the kind of abilities and talents that you have, you can get scouted online. You never know. I am 16-year-old and I have a height of 5'5". You're probably thinking that, bro, what do you mean 5'5"? You say you want to become a runway model. But I feel like if you practice your catwalk every freaking day and you are determined enough, you can end up on runways. I'm going to prove it to you. I'm literally going to be living proof that someone of the height of 5'5" can become a model. For all of you guys and girls there, I'm talking to you. I believe in you. I am sure that idea you've been having, that I think if I should do this, that I can actually get scouted. Maybe if I should go to this shopping mall, maybe someone would actually recognize me. Just do it. You never know what can actually happen. There are various instances that I'm like, yeah, I don't think that's necessary. I'm not going to do it. And I actually do it, and I end up getting opportunities and collaborating with photographers. So any idea that you have, please, for the love of God, just execute that idea. Seriously. Just a side note, for those of you who are actually subscribed to my channel, please check out my posts, because I usually upload polls, and I need you to vote on polls because I want to know what kind of content you guys actually want to watch, whether model vlogs or model advices or catwalk tutorials. Let me know. And also, I'm going to be uploading a catwalk tutorial on how to walk like Gigi Hadid next. I'm currently practicing every day right now. I just hope I get it. So keep an eye out for that video too. I also created this channel to get over my fear of public speaking, because bro, I'm really shy. I'm not very outspoken, and I think that posting videos like this will help me get over that fear of public speaking, if you know what I mean. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.